Now we're back, the Nauticat. Things are happening. All the teak is gone. And if you see here, you can see that we have, or at least Kjetil, who is doing this job, he has removed all the teak, removed all the screws here. You can see in the front afterwards the holes for the screws. All the screws are filled with epoxy, so now it should be watertight. We got a new teak on the edges here. And this is how the new teak will look. Well, it's not teak, it's artificial teak, Ecotec. But I think it will be very good. Really looking forward to having all the teak look like this. And as this boat was built, first the deck was put on the boat, and then afterwards this wooden piece was put on top of it. But now we will put, now this rail here is attached, and then the so-called teak will be inside. So these will be two different parts instead of the one of this on top of this one, as it was before. And that's the same story with this massive block of teak here. Originally, this was put on top of the teak deck. Now it is beside it, so the new teak will not be under this, but it will be put like this. So it will be possible to remove one of the things without removing the other. Going forward, we can see here so many holes in the boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 holes. And all of these will now be filled with epoxy and watertight. So I'm really looking forward to get the boat where I can be 100% sure it's not leaking water anywhere. These will also be new because they were 42 years old, so we're investing in new ones here. And yeah, this rail here, we just refurbished it, so this is the original 42-year-old teak. Fair enough conditions, and we need to save money somewhere. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think this will be very good.
What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor? What shall we do with the drunken sailor?